Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your Rednote ID. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Rednote app. After you do so, click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. The next step is to click on Profile, which is in the middle of the screen. After you click on Profile, you can see your Rednote ID. Go ahead and tap on it once again. So as you can see, you can use up to 16 to 15 characters including letters, numbers and underlines. So you can just go ahead and write down the ID over here. After you do so, just go ahead and tap on Save. Wait for a while, and in a while your ID will be changed. So if you want to change it anytime, don't you worry. Click on Profile, then you can see the ID option. Go ahead and tap on the ID option and you can add in the numbers which you want. Tap on Save, wait for a while and the ID will be updated. So guys, this is how easy it is to change the Rednote ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.